Going to the store 'cause I'm out of toilet paper. Over by the van yonder, here she comes. With a basket full of latex gloves and a nice new pair of face masks. I make a little room 6 feet away from me. I pick up the can and put it on the seat. Look at her face, she ain't a foolin' me. She thinks my Lysol sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me to be sure I'm not spraying it wrong. She likes the way I missed it while I spin inside the spray. She's even kinda crazy about my Clorex wipe tray. She's the only one who really understands that COVID won't get me. She thinks my Lysol sexy. We ride to the store, standing on the new lines. They're spaced every 6 feet as these are uncertain times. We hope and pray we will find everything that we need. She says she's got a dream and I ask what it could be. She wants to sit at restaurants right across from me and have a margarita or two before I take her home. She thinks my Lysol sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me, be sure I'm not spraying it wrong. She likes the way I missed it while I spin inside the spray. She's even kinda crazy about my Clorex wipes tray. She's the only one who really understands that COVID won't get me. She thinks my Lysol sexy. Well, she ain't into perfume or body sprays, but if it kills that virus, it just makes her day. She thinks my Lysol sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me, be sure I'm not spraying it wrong. She likes the way I missed it while I spin inside the spray. She's even kinda crazy about my Clorex wipe tray. She's the only one who really understands that COVID won't get me. She thinks my Lysol sexy. She thinks my Lysol sexy.